Hi, I'm Kunal, DevRel engineer at Randoli. In this particular short video, I'm going to quickly walk you through one of the powerful features of the Randoli platform, which is the workloads search functionality. It's designed to quickly help you search and troubleshoot a particular workload across your entire Kubernetes environment using some simple and flexible search filters. Let me show you how this works. Now, I'm assuming that you have already logged in to your dashboard and have a few clusters up and running. You can head over to the workloads list tab where you will see all the list of workloads that are available across your entire Kubernetes environment. And here you can start searching for the particular workloads. To quickly get started, we can use these individual filters to find the workloads that we desire. Let us say I wish to list down all the workloads in a specific cluster. So I can write down the cluster filter followed by a colon and the name of that particular cluster. Let us say I wish to list down all the workloads inside this AKS cluster. And here you get the list of all the workloads which are present inside the AKS cluster. If we wish to dive deep a bit more, we can even search for a specific kind of workload inside this cluster. So let us say I wish to view all the deployments inside the cluster. I can use the kind filter to do that, followed by the colon. So these are the different kind of workloads that I can filter out either inside a particular cluster or even your entire Kubernetes infra, which I'll show you in just a moment. So let us say I wish to apply the deployment filter. And here you can see I get the list of all the deployments that are present inside the AKS cluster. One interesting thing you'll notice from here is that as you keep on applying different kinds of filters, the list would automatically get updated. So you get the real-time data based on the filters that you have applied. Now we can even go a step further to search in a particular namespace. So let us say I apply the filter of namespace colon, and I give the namespace as simulation. And here I have got all the deployments which are inside the AKS cluster and inside the simulation namespace. Now I hope that you are getting an idea of how you can use these combination of different filters to search for the workload that you actually desire. Now another interesting scenario that we can quickly look into is, let us say we wish to find all the different deployments across our entire infra which are currently stuck in a crash loop backoff, and we wish to troubleshoot them further. So we can apply the kind filter of deployment, and with that we can apply the status filter of crash loop backoff. And here you can see that you'll find the list of all the different deployments with the status crash loop backoff across all of the different clusters that you have connected. Now you can quickly go through all these workloads and troubleshoot them further. Another simple filter that you can use is the name filter. That is, you can search by the workload name itself. Now either you can do a global search by the name. If you know the exact name of that particular workload, you can directly do name colon and the particular workload name if you are familiar with that. But if not, you can use the different combination of filters to drill down to a specific area. Let us say I search for the cluster AKS, and then I search in the simulation namespace, and here I search for the name called as Hotel Brew, which is a test application that is deployed inside this particular namespace. And as you can see, I've got the Hotel Brew front end and the Hotel Brew backend. So this is just a simple example to show you how you can use the name filter either globally across your entire infra if you know the exact name of that particular workload, or you can use a combination of these filters to drill down to that specific workload as well. Lastly, a very useful filter that you can use to search for workloads which are having some potential issues is by filtering them out based on a specific issue tag, right? So I can go here and type issue, and here you can see these are the different kinds of issue tag which are available for you. Now these get automatically associated with a particular workload when an issue report is created, and using this particular filter you can get the list of all the workloads that are associated with that particular issue. So this becomes very handy to quickly search for specific workloads having some specific set of issues. I hope that by now you have a clear idea of how you can use the search functionality and the different filters to quickly search for a particular workload across your entire infra so that you can focus more on troubleshooting the production issues and ensuring that your Kubernetes infra is efficient. Thanks for watching.